Morning everybody, welcome back. Today I'm heading out to the cafe. This is almost 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. but I've had the most productive morning. I've cleaned a lot. I clean each drawer each day and it's been helping so much. It's been 4 days, each drawer every day, and you know, things can be collected in each drawer, like random stuff. It takes at least about 30 to 35 minutes. But yeah, I consider that a very productive morning. And also I made my own nails. I put on my own those nail stickers because I've been wanting to do it for so long but never got a chance. I ordered some and then I still consistently went to make my gel nails. It's so great that each box comes with like 24 nails, so you know, if it chips off or whatever, it's easier. And it's looking very fancy. I'm just gonna put in some mascara. I just want to look awake. I don't know why I've been waking up so early. Nadia's having holidays and I've been waking up at 6. She wakes up at 8. So there's no point. Okay guys, so I've kind of dried my hair very roughly and I went on with this before blow dried so that all the Plex number 6 reduces frizz and stuff like that. I don't know if it does, but yeah. Now I am going with this Way heat protectant. Just got this recently, maybe like a month back. So I've been using it on and off. I try to remember and use it because I have been styling my hair quite often. So I would just like go in. I kind of make sure that it's on all parts of my hair. Go on with this. So this is my final look. I think I'm just gonna keep the hat on. Back from the cafe. It was a really good place, good lunch. Nadia had fun because there was like Halloween decorations and stuff and she loves it and I love it more, I think. I mean, I couldn't stop talking about it. And now I have updates on my nails. I feel like these nails would just last you a few days because I'm already feeling like it's gonna come off, or either I didn't press them too hard and also it sticks to your hair. But it would be great if you have somewhere to go and you cannot get time to go and make your nails. It's like brilliant for that. Me and my mom, we are gonna go out to a mall because I want an eyeliner from MAC and I went yesterday but it wasn't on sale, so I am going back. There'll be a 10 to 15% sale today. My mom wanted a few things and so we can save up a lot. And I'm also wanting to go into Bath and Body Works. They have such cute candles for Halloween as well. So cute. I can't begin to tell you, like vampire blood and like, oh, it is absolutely cute. I saw it yesterday but I couldn't grab anything because we were running late, so probably I'll head in there as well, but it'll just be a quick go and come back thing. Hi. So mom got all this in her little pouch, all the MAC stuff,
so don't buy double.
so she doesn't buy double stuff. Gives me so much throwback. I haven't sat here in MAC like for the longest time, and now I'm trying this gel and then with their brush it's giving me this best wing and it's so easy. We are pretty much in Sephora. I'm just showing my mom like the dry shampoo from Way. She's been wanting it and it is so amazing, so I just came here to look for that and suggest her on buying that. Are now heading to Bath and Body Works. Mom, are you having fun today?
Yes.
What all did you get?
From MAC.
A lot. Too many.
No.
I got like 2 things. Mom got 10 things.
No.
Mom, look at this. It's all Halloween stuff. How cute are these?
Wow.
You long do hom mak. So cute. Look at the packaging of each one. This is brown sugar oat milk ice shaken latte and this is my first time I'm gonna try. Mom says it's so good.
Yummy?
Oh my god, it is really good.
You want any glass?
No, but it's clearance sale. So it is almost 6 p.m. and now it's the time for me to make dinner. I'm planning to make ricotta and spinach with some chicken tomato sauce, which sounds weird. I jumbled it all up. It's been a long time since I made that and I used to be really good at it. So let's see if today it's gonna taste good. What else? Oh yeah, so let me show you the tiny little haul that I made, and I'm so proud of myself. I went for 3 things and I just left with 3 things. I like 2 candles, but I have a problem with candles. I mean, if it's too strong, I get headaches. So I was like, I'm not gonna buy 2. Let me just buy 1 first, because every time I buy, I don't finish it. I just let it be. But I don't know, lately I just want to be into scents. Like when I put lotion and I just feel so good if it smells great. It's called Coffee and Whiskey White Barn. Oh my god, it smells lovely. So I'm just gonna place it near my dressing table, like right here, and I'm just gonna light it when I just want to feel special, like in the evenings or bright early while I'm getting dressed. So Vicky is like watching me vlog, and I feel so weird when people watch me vlog. Then I got 2 things from MAC. When I was younger, I used to really use this Pro Longwear fluid line like all the time, and then something happened. I never went back to this. I just kept on diverting into other products, but it's brown. I feel like it makes my face softer, and then along with it I got like a brush. This gives me the best cat eye. So yeah. Okay, let's start cooking. I'm gonna be preparing some stuff. So this is the one that I'm gonna be making, ricotta and spinach. Stays to boil for like 2 minutes. This is tomato sauce. A little bit of basil at the end, should be yummy. Some onions. Adding some chicken. Adding some basil just for the scent, the smell. Okay, this is it. It's done, looking really good. Alrighty, done with dinner. It was so freaking good, and now I'm gonna go for a short walk, but I'm gonna be ending my vlog here. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you stay till the end, wow, lots of love.
Please subscribe.
Say subscribe. Yes, do subscribe.